So this is from the company, I think it's Raddy is the name of it, and it just came in this box right here. You know what? It was a box within a box. So let's just go ahead, open this thing up and see what all we get with it. We got a little user manual. This is the mini hub user manual there. You got a solar irrigation user manual. We'll put those aside. What's in this box? And then in this box right here, we've got, that must be your hub. So there's the hub and a USB-C cable. Wow, I like the colors on this thing. You get a little adjustable solar panel. That's a little hook that'll hook onto the side of like a pot or something like that. We'll put that aside. There's the watering system, and then here's the little irrigation nozzles. What I've got a raised garden bed over here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set that up in the raised garden bed, and that just sits inside of a 5-gallon bucket. And you know what? It just waters itself. So let me go ahead, clean all this up, read the instructions, and let's get this thing set up. Okay, here we are, everybody. I went ahead and installed the system. There was kind of like a little bit of installation process, but what I'm gonna do for y'all today is I'm gonna go through my installation step by step and show you kind of how I did this. This is a standing guarding right here. If you can look back, let me step back and show you. So I have a galvanized raised garden bed right back here, but this is a standing garden bed, and this is where I wanted the water at. And let me show you how I did it. So I've got a 5-gallon bucket here that I got rainwater that I capture out of my rain barrel here, so I can just fill that up. Here's the base unit itself. This is solar panel. You see how it just hangs off the side right here? You see there's water, so we know it's been working. That'll charge the batteries. And then to install the actual little hub, so I don't have it out here, it was the little green box, install that on the Wi-Fi network, and then download the app. And let me show you the app. The app is called HomeGar, HomeGar, and when you open it, that's what it does. And then I'll show you what it says right here. So you see right there, there's the mini hub. It is online. When you click on it, you go add device. Then when you want to add this unit here, you're going to hit that bottom button right there where it says, or the top on the camera, it's going to say set, and then you add that. So the hub is on there, and then click on that. Now this system is on here. So you see that right there, and it does show that it is being charged. Now let's say I want to use my irrigation. Click on that. You see how it says 30 seconds? Let me show you real quick on this. So you see how all the hoses are ran. Watch this. So 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and put it on, let's put it on 38 seconds. So as soon as I click that, hit confirm. Now watch. It's loading. 30 seconds. I just heard the pump kick on over here. And then look at this, everybody. Watch what it's doing. 34. See how it's clicking down? Now look at this. Y'all see that? That is drip irrigation right there. And what I decided to do with drip irrigation, you're going straight to the roots. So I skipped about every other one. And you see, look, even all the way over here, look at this. That's awesome. This thing works flawlessly. You see it's on the countdown timer, 12. So you could be anywhere pretty much on the planet Earth. As long as you have internet, I can sit here and water my plants. Well, obviously, as long as you got, and it does have a notice on here, if there's no water in your bucket, it'll say no water available. And then you could set your plan over here. If I want to go ahead and do like a delay, a rain delay, and all that, and then I could set my actual plan on how many times I want the duration of the water to happen, or just random. There's a lot of different settings on here. You got to set up all of that. And then to set these things up, what I did, so your hose is very long. I got a pair of scissors right here. They gave you these fittings. So here's your drip fitting. I didn't have enough to do them all, so I kind of split my drip fittings. And then what you're going to do, you have a 4-way, which I didn't really need the 4-way or the 2-way. The one I needed the most was this 3-way. And really, everybody, oh, don't forget your little stopper. So there's your hose, your blowback. I think it's called a blowback valve. Make sure it's facing in this direction. See how it looks in the camera right there? Make sure the flat side is facing towards where the water comes out. And then on the bucket right here, you're gonna have the filter. See how the filter is down in the bucket? It does have like a little weighted ball, so it will sink down to the bottom. Give it a minute. And then I just ran all of these hoses, and all you're gonna do is clip them and run them just like this. I'll kind of show you my system on how I set it up. See how it's clipped? The 3 ways ran that way, and then another 3-way. Then you just cut a little small hose and runs to your drippers right there. Actually, let me go ahead and start it again and just show you how well this thing works. And then it should kick on. It takes usually a few seconds because it's going through Wi-Fi, 40 seconds of dripping, and right away, as soon as I clicked it, check it out. Look at that. Drip irrigation going to town. And I might go more because I'm trying to split it, so I might go up to 2 minutes per one. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and bury this hose underground. I've got some soil right there. I'm going to run the soil around here, clean all this out. This is all lettuce, and this is really what I wanted to kind of like not have. You just kind of set this thing and forget it. This thing is awesome. So I highly recommend this system right here. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got on the Raddy, solar irrigation. See you all in the next video.